Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show you how to remove double chain in Photoshop. First we go to layer panel and remove layer, copy. I am going to rename layer Liquify and chain. Select pen tool from the toolbar, go to the top bar, choose path and created a path around the mount. If you want to remove double chain, right click and make selection. Click on the marks icon. Again layer copy, rename layer, apply marks. Right click on layer and click on the apply marks. Select Liquify layer and go to filter menu. Click on the Liquify. Drag the left side panel and check show backdrop. Select apply marks. Click on the icon. And opacity on 100. Double click on layer and check drop shadow. Follow the setting. Right click on layer and created a layer. Select erase tool. Follow the setting. Choose shadow layer and remove the extra shadow and decrease opacity. If you enjoy this video, don't forget like, comment and subscribe.